Alright y'all, so I have something a little bit different. For the first time I did the hidden sales like barcode scanning thing. I follow someone who is a YouTuber, a couponer, and I seen her doing this at Dollar General where they had their hidden sales going on. I forgot to check how long it lasts so I can let you guys know. If I don't forget, I'll try to put it in the video when this ends. But basically, when you go into Dollar General, the prices that they have on the item is not the price that it is. So you'll see a regular price of $6, but when you scan it from your Dollar General app, it will show you the real for sale price. So I got a bunch of goodies, you guys, for some stuff. I got something for a penny. I got something for 90 cents. Most of the items I got were $1, you know, like under $2. Let me pull out the stuff that I got and show you guys. Alright, so I'll start off with these. I got all of these Right Guard Sports. I got 2 Cools and a Fresh. They are for men, and these were only ringing up for 80 cents. I think it was 80 or 85 cents. So the regular price was $2, like $2.25, so $2.55, something like that. So they were each 80 cents. I think I got one for a penny because I had a coupon. And then I found only one of these. It's the Tom's for Men, aluminum free deodorant. Tom's is a good brand. I think the regular price is a little over $3, and I got this for I can't remember. I'll put it on the camera. I want to say $1 or $2, somewhere around there. What next? These Irish Springs. They are the Irish Spring original moisturizing face and body wash. They are the 18 fluid ounce. And both of these I think were $3 something each. I got both of these for I believe $1.80, which is a good price. So I got 2 of those. They had their Studio Selection foaming bath eucalyptus and spearmint. This is a really big size with Epsom salt and essential oils. 34 fluid ounces. I think this was regular $3-4 bucks, and it was a little over $1. Love Beauty and Planets. I got a shampoo and conditioner, and they were marked down to under $2 each. So I got the, I don't know how you say this, Muru butter and rose sulfate free shampoo, and the coconut water and mimosa flower conditioner. So I thought this was a super good deal. And they have their Clean and Clear Watermelon Juicy Scrub. Gently exfoliates and hydrates dry, thirsty skin. It's a 4.2 ounce. Only the Watermelon Juicy Scrub is the one that is on sale. And this was $2.50, $2.60, something like that. And it's about $4 or $5 regular price. This is their Got To Be Twisted Curl Reviver Cream for moisturized curls and waves. No residue, no stickiness. And this was, I believe, $1 and some change. I'm going to try to put like pictures or prices right here just to give you guys the exact price. They had some bobby pins. These were, I think, like 80 cents. Conair. So these I had coupons for. These are regular $4 each. When I scanned it, they rang up to $3 each. I think I had a $2 off coupon with these. So I picked Lavender Calming Lotion and Wild Cherry Blossom. Then I picked up a new Nivea. And I think I got this one for 90 cents. I can't remember how, but I had a couple of coupons that it went to, and an in-store coupon. But it ended up coming up to 90 cents, the Nivea body lotion. But once you scan it, it says, I think it's $3.25 on sale, but it's regular $5 or something like that. So this is the Nourishing Radiance Deep Nourishing Serum for dry skin, Nivea in the pink bottle. And then it says vitamin E and a touch of gradual tanner, which, as you can see, I don't really need any tanner, but this is one of the ones I was excited to find. This is the only one that they had, though, the Jurgens Hydrating Coconut Oil Infused Body Wash. I've been wanting to try this for a while. And this is the 22 fluid ounces. This was regular $5 or $6, and it's ringing up for about $2.70, somewhere around there. These Suave Men Citrus and Sage Energizing Body Wash, 15 fluid ounces, are ringing up 90 cents. This is the last one that they had, so if I found more of those, I would have grabbed a few more. All of the Studio Selection body washes that are in these containers, well, I rung up about 3 different scents, and each of them were ringing up for about $1 and some change. It's the 22 fluid ounces Studio Selection. I grabbed the Delicate Exfoliating Body Wash. I've never tried them before, but for the price, I said I'd grab it and see how good it is. And so, yeah, those were all my really good deals of the day. I'm so excited that I went ahead and gave it a try. When I got to the cash register, I was worried like it wasn't gonna work, but once you guys scan it on your app, you just click checkout at register. Once you put your phone number in, you will get all the prices that it scanned up, so just keep it. If it's something that you scan and you don't want it, you can swipe and delete it off, but everything that you keep in that list till you get up to the cash register will give you the price for everything that you have. You can actually check your app as well for the stores near you and see if it's available. If you can scan that barcode somehow, you can find out if they have that or not. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. So once again, Dollar General hidden sale items. Thank y'all for watching.